Yeah, I think the unemployment rate normally goes down by about 0.1% per 100,000 jobs created. So if we get a figure, well in excess of 300,000 today, that certainly might slightly alarm people. The omens, I think, are good, even stripping out what we were talking about with the census just now. The omens for a good headline figure are pretty good right now. We've had a 3.2% GDP print, very impressive. You looked at the ADP figures released earlier in the week, they were actually much stronger than expected. And historically, when you've had a good ADP payroll number, the NFPs have come in even stronger than that. So I think you're right, a particularly strong NFP number might alarm Fed inflation watchers slightly.
If you were to pull off the shelf and dust down your charts looking at economic cycles in the past, and look at jobless numbers at the kind of lows we're seeing now, you would, I understand, tend to see a recession not too far around the corner. How much do you think that's been weighing on policymakers' minds at the Fed?
Yeah, I think you've made a very good point there. Historically, when you get to these kind of low levels on unemployment, you're not that far away, maybe 15, 18 months from a recession if you look at the historical patterns. And I think that is weighing on people's minds, and it will keep the Fed erring on the side of caution. I think the Fed would probably prefer to see the economy going a little bit more gangbusters than to risk a downturn and maybe letting any deflation get into the system.
But Nick, looking at what the market is pricing in, going into Wednesday before FOMC, the market was pricing in 60% probability of a rate cut this year. It's now been dialed back somewhat, but the market is still pricing in a 50% chance of a rate cut in 2019. Do you see that happening?
At the moment, I think that's too difficult a call to make. We at Miton, we really try to be macro aware rather than forecasters. Let's see what the numbers are like today. Particularly focused on this average hourly earnings figure. That will be the big clue as to whether that is the right call.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.